Hello guys, I am V Sastri in was of 9th class from Mathman. So today I am going to tell you a story, The Lazy Donkey. Once upon a time, there was a merchant. So he was so sophisticated. So he had everything you need. So all we need to do is just mention it. So he have cotton, spices, rice and many other things which are required by the people. So he have everything. So he owns a donkey which he uses to transport all the goods towards the market. So he fed the donkey well and took good care of it because it was very essential to his business. Even though he took good care of it, the donkey was a very lazy one. So it was very unwilling to do any kind of work. So one day he he found out that salt was demanding in the market at present. So he found that out by asking his friend. He was very glad because he had salt. So he immediately loaded salt in the gunny bags and kept them on the donkey and headed towards the market. So while they were moving, a river came in their path. So when they went through the river, the salt present in the bags dissolved in the water and the weight of the load had decreased. So the donkey got some ease. So it felt ease and alleviated because the weight decreased. So it did the same next day. It submerged into the water and some salt dissolved and the load decreased. So it did this even the third day. So then the merchant understood that the donkey is doing this willingly because it is decreasing the load. Then what he did was the next day he kept cotton in those bags. So when the donkey submerged in the water, the weight, the weight, cotton absorbs water. So the weight of the load increased and it became more and more difficult for the donkey. So he had taught donkey a lesson. Since then, the donkey was not lazy and it was faithful and did all the work he was ordered to do. So in this way, the merchant had taught a lesson to the donkey. So thank you.